this video, I'm going to provide you some Excel help with the concatenate function. The concatenate function is mainly used to join two or more text strings into one string. Don't forget to watch until the end of the video where I talk about common problems with the concatenate function and how to fix them.
I'm Luca. Welcome to this channel where I share weekly videos about Lean Six Sigma and how it can improve both your professional and personal life. If you're new here and want to keep learning more about Lean Six Sigma, please click the red subscribe button and little bell below so you get notified as soon as new content is uploaded.
Let's get started with our example. I've set up a data table here with our first name, last name, house number, street name, and our new string. So what we want to get to is we want to combine these four separate strings into this sentence. So we want to say John Doe lives at 123 Main Street, as per here. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to double click on our cell box or in the function box here, but I'll do it down here. We'll double click equals concatenate, open the bracket, so click John, comma, and now we need a space between John and Smith. So we'll add that space with a quotation mark, space, close quotation mark, comma, then we'll click our last name here, so the Smith, so B3, once again, comma, then we need a space here, but here we have lives at. So a trick is we can open up our quotation mark and add a space before we begin to type lives at. So lives at, and then we want a space between the at and the house number. So we're going to add another space bar, close our quotation marks. Then to get to the next box, we'll put a comma, then click the house number, so C3, right? Comma. Now we need one more space between the number and the street, so between 123 and Main Street. So add another quotation, space, close quotation, then comma, and your street name. Okay. Then we want to close our bracket and we can press enter. So that looks pretty good to me. John Smith lives at 456 Long Street. Okay. If you like this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave a comment below. Now, some common problems that we encounter are sometimes words are jumbled together. So that happens when we don't add enough extra spaces as part of the concatenate formula. So for example, if we don't put in our space here, our quotation marks in the space, right? What we're left is we can see here, John Smith, the two words are jumbled together. So remember how we fix that? We add quotation, space, quotation, and then another comma. Okay. And the second common problem we're facing is the name error appears instead of the expected result. So that usually means that a quotation marks are missing for a text argument. So for example, where we typed in lives at, if we didn't put the quotation marks, so I'm going to delete those quotation marks, and I press enter, now we got this error. So if you experience this error, go back and check that any of your text arguments within your formula are missing quotations. So I'm going to add those back, quotation space, lives at, space, quotation, and we've got a good new text string here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more of my videos about Lean Six Sigma here.